In this video, I will introduce 5 cool bike accessories you must see. Number 5.
This is Knog's power range of modular bike lights. But power is not just another bike light. It's an ecosystem of bike lights, with a power bank as its battery. The power trail and power road come with a separate power bank and power light head. Line the logos up like this when you plug it in, so you know you've got the right hole. And then press this button here to release the light head. Easy. The side mount attaches like this. Line up, push the pin in. There are 2 slots here and here. Simply pull the thumb wheel out to slide off. But the best thing about this side mount is where it lets you place your light. A few turns of the lever to get it tight on the bar and bang, there it is, right there under your head stem. But it also fits on top of the bar like so. Don't worry about buttons, there are none. Simply twist and hold to turn on, twist and release to go through the modes. But the best feature of the power road and trail is their modularity. Any light head will fit any power bank. So you can upgrade just your light head for greater brightness or battery for runtime without having to buy a whole new light. What's more, the battery in your power road or trail will power the extended range of bike lights, plus head torch, lantern and speaker, all coming soon. For more on the powered charger lights, find them on our site. For now, see ya!
Number 4. Number 3.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what are you doing?
Not much, just hanging out. You want to meet up later on?
Yeah, I can shoot you a text.
Alright, sounds good.
Number 2.
This is the world's first double-wall insulated cycling bottle. This innovative bottle is engineered to fit most standard bottle cages on the market. Its 18-8 stainless steel construction and vacuum insulation is best in class. Best of all, it only adds the weight of a spare tube compared to a cheap plastic bottle. It comes standard with 2 lid configurations. The straw lid will allow you to drink without tilting your head back, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. The sip lid lets you enjoy warm beverages in those chilly mornings. Cold beverages will stay cold for 2 days, and warm beverages will stay warm up to a full day. This is perfect for commuters, mountain bikers, and even road cyclists who appreciate an ice-cold drink during and after a long ride. We are launching this project with 2 bottle finishes. Version 1 with exposed stainless finish for a classic look, version 2 with a black powder coated finish to add texture for a better grip.
Number 1. In this video, I have introduced 5 cool bike accessories you must see.